Hi everybody and welcome to your 10-minute upper body workout. Let's get straight into it. Let's start with a warm-up beginning in the center of our mats. I want you to tuck your right foot out in front of you and bend that left foot back behind you. Let's bring those arms up towards the ceiling, lengthening that spine, palms facing away from each other. Let's inhale, exhale, slowly reach that right hand up and overhead. And as you're reaching, I want you to look towards that left hand side, back to center. As we inhale, exhale, reaching over, looking towards the other side, back to center, and one more on each side, reaching forward and back to center, lengthening that spine and exhaling as we're working. Let's change those palms to face them towards one another. Let's inhale, exhale to do that same thing, reaching forward, inhale, back to center, exhale, reaching towards the other side, inhale, back to center, one more on each side, reaching over and looking in that direction as you're reaching, and over towards the other side and back to center. Let's bring those hands out into a T position, palms facing each other. Let's inhale and exhale, rotate outwards towards the right hand side, inhale, center, exhale, rotate towards the left hand side and back to center. One more on each side. Let's rotate and reach. And last one, rotating and reaching, coming back to center, rotating those hands, palms facing outwards towards the walls on your sides, and we're just going to do little circles with our arms and breathing as we're working. Let's continue, and as we work, we're getting those shoulders and those circles bigger and bigger, allowing those shoulders to loosen up and slowly changing directions and backwards, bringing those arms up and around and slowly progressing to create smaller little circles and slowly dropping those arms. Let's slowly take a deep breath in, and as we exhale, we're reaching that right hand up and over as we bend that left arm onto the ground, pushing that right glute into the mat, and exhale, reaching over to do that same thing on the other side, and one more on each side, lifting up and over and reaching back to center, and last one, lifting that left hand up and over and slowly reaching it towards that opposite corner of the room and extending and allowing that other arm to follow, reaching to the left corner of the room and slowly coming back up, bringing those arms into T position and slowly down towards your sides. Let's turn over into an all fours position, and we are going to extend that right leg out behind us and then that left leg out behind us, and slowly lifting and lengthening, pushing those shoulders up and away from those ears. We're going to hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lifting those glutes up towards the ceiling, pushing that head between those arms, allowing the shoulders to stretch out. Let's inhale, exhale, pushing both heels into the ground, allowing that stretch behind the back of those calves as we push our head between our arms. Let's take a deep breath in, exhale, coming back into that front support position, neck in neutral and chin tucked in, and let's hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lifting that head back between those arms and pushing those glutes up towards the ceiling, rotating that tailbone out, and let's hold. Slowly pushing those heels back into the ground, allowing that body to stretch out. Let's inhale, exhale, bringing that pelvis back down, neck in neutral, and drawing those scaps down that back to hold for another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one, pushing that head between those arms, pushing those glutes up towards the ceiling and rotating that tailbone and allowing that stretch, pushing those heels into the ground and holding. Deep breath in and slowly bringing yourself back to that front support position, dropping right knee down, then left knee, and allowing those knees to come into alignment with those shoulders and leaning back into rest position, pushing those shoulders into the ground and opening those hips, allowing them to stretch out, just rocking from left to right as you're working. Allow that body to stretch out, preparing for our workout. We're going to come back into an all fours position, and I want you to slowly walk your knees a little bit outside of the alignment of your hips. So we are in an extended plank position with your knees on the floor. Very nice, everybody. So here's the movement. We are chest touching into a push-up. If you want more of a challenge, you can do this with your knees off the ground. Let's inhale, exhale, chest touch, and inhale, exhale, lowering and up. That's one. And as we are chest touching, I want you to make sure that you are not moving too much from left to right as you lift that arm. You want to keep that core tight, glutes tight, neck in neutral, and keeping that core activation. Try keep those elbows tucked in as we're working. Very nice. And last one after this one, and slowly down, and we're going to hold in the air, just hovering off the ground for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lifting up and leaning back into that rest position. Knees are in contact with one another, allowing that body to stretch out. That was quite a number of different movements going, but as long as you're keeping your activation, you should be okay. We're going to come back into that all fours position, and we're slowly going to tuck our toes in under our feet, and we're going to hover those knees off the floor as we do our chest touches again. So let's take a deep breath in, exhale, right chest touch back to center and left, and from there we are squeezing those knees out back to center. That's one. Chest touch, squeezing those knees out back to center. Chest touch, squeezing those knees out back to center. That's two. We're doing 6 of these, and 3. Core tight, pelvis in neutral, and 4. 2 more, and 5, and 6, and just holding in that position for 10, 9, sucking belly to spine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly dropping those knees down and leaning back into that rest position, and coming right up and over and opening that chest, looking up towards the sky, and slowly making sure you're in the center of that mat. We are dropping that chest all the way onto the mat. Very nice, everyone. Let's get that neck in neutral. Let's extend those arms out in front of us, and we're going to start with a few upper body lifts. Core tight, pelvis neutral. Let's inhale, exhale, lifting, inhale, lower, exhale, lift, palms facing each other, inhale, lower, and lift. That's 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. We've got 2 more, and we're going to hold in the air for 10 seconds, and up and holding for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly down, bringing those hands to the side, slight bend in those elbows. I want those hands on your hips, drawing the scabs down your back, trying to relax your glutes. Remember, we're working on that upper body. Let's take a deep breath in, Exhale, lifting your head, neck and chest up towards the ceiling. Inhale to pause. Exhale, lower. And as we're doing this, our chest is open, our scaps are being drawn down our back, lifting and lowering as we're working, keeping that core tight. We've got 3 more of these. Exhale up, inhale, pause, exhale, lower. Exhale up, inhale, pause, exhale, lower. Last one, we're staying in the air. Let's inhale. Exhale, lifting head, neck and chest off the floor, bringing arms up towards the ceiling, and we are bending and extending. Clench your fists just so that those fingers don't get in the way of the floor as you're working, and squeeze. That's 2. Core tight, using those back extensor muscles. And let's do another 4 more. That's 4. Looking slightly in front of you, don't strain that neck. And 2. And 1, keeping those arms there, extending those hands, lifting up, and we're just doing little pulses of those arms up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly inhaling, exhaling, bringing those upper body back to the floor. We're bringing our hands into a W position. Our elbows are comfortably resting on the floor. We're going to inhale and exhale, lifting head, neck and chest off the floor as we maintain the positioning of those arms. Inhale down, that's 1 and 2. Core tight, using your core and upper back and arms to do the work. We've got 3 more, and that's 1 and 2 and 3, and we're slowly going to stay in this position, keeping that back off the mat. We are extending those arms and bending and pushing those elbows together and back to center, and extending those arms, bending them and squeezing those elbows back. That's 1, and extend and bend. Keep going, core tight. And 3. We've got 2 more after this one. That's 1, squeezing elbows back to center, extending and back, and squeeze and center and extend, and slowly coming back to that W, bringing arms overhead, palms facing each other, lifting those straight legs, knees together and holding for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rotating those palms to face the floor, and we are going into swimming, alternatively lifting and lowering opposite limbs for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly coming back down and lifting yourself into rest position, allowing that body to recover. Coming back into all fours, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Let's inhale, exhale, progressing into that cat stretch, pushing the spine up towards the ceiling. Inhale, exhale, opening that chest, dropping that spine, and slowly pushing that spine back up, just stretching out those muscles we've just used, and opening that chest. Last one, deep breath in, exhale, pushing that spine up towards the ceiling. Inhale, exhale, opening that chest, coming back into a seated position. We are going to place that right hand behind that back and placing our left hand comfortably on our head, drawing that elbow down towards the floor and opening that right side of your neck and allowing that stretch. Allow that heart rate to slowly calm down, coming back to center, changing over, placing that left hand behind your back and placing that right hand on your head and drawing those elbows down, opening that left part of your neck. Allow that body to stretch out and slowly coming back to center. Thanks everybody for joining me for that upper body workout. If you are wanting more of a full body workout, take a look at the sequence that progresses after this one, and it continues into a lower body workout. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you like that video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so that you can get notified every time I upload a video just like this one.